Hello again. Today we're unboxing something that I've had my eye on for quite a while. It's safe to say that I don't really need any more samplers. I mean, we've got sort of all bases covered really. MPC Live does everything. The Digitact over there, which is kind of the middle ground one. And then yeah, this little pocket operator, which is rubbish, let's be real, but it's good rubbish. It's good because it's rubbish. So I don't really need another sampler. However, there's been one on the market for maybe I'd say 4 years. It's probably been out now, might even be more, that I loved the idea of when it first came out, but it was just extortionate money. So I just disregarded it. Recently, it's gone down by about half the price it started out at. Quite hard to get stock of. Found a place that had stock of it. PRS came out, so I had a bit of money in it. So yeah, this happened. Pioneer SP-16 Toraiz SP-16 kind of ticks all the boxes for me. It's now in the right price range, and we're going to open it up and see what it's about really. Main features, things that I loved about the idea of this was Dave Smith Prophet 6 filter, 16 pads. Love the idea of this. I liked the Roland TR series sequencers, the little light sequencers. Touch screen like the MPC, little touch strip. It's kind of all the things that I'd wanted it to have, and it does. So yeah, I've got to try and hide it from the wife as well. But yeah, so right, let's open it, I suppose. Bear with me. Okay, oh, okay, right. That's it. Excuse me. Okay, so I don't know if you can. Probably should set the camera up better, but I can't bother to move it. DJKit.com, eat, sleep, rave, repeat face masks for the current situation of the world. It's nice. What do we have in here? We have a power lead, always useful. Long as well. Very good, power lead. And then it. So right, I'm gonna put this down and just get it out the box really, so we can have a look at it. Okay, so here it is. It doesn't actually weigh as much as the reviews. People in the reviews were like, oh, it's not portable. It's gonna break your back carrying it about. No. Anyway, right, let's open this up. I always try to not ruin this when I open it, just in case it's mash up and I have to send it back. Here we go. Ooh. Mate. Oh, it feels lovely. It does feel good. Is that crud supposed to be on the buttons, or is that like mold? Better not be mold, mate. Oh no, it's just powder coated. This is actually lovely feeling, to be fair. Knob's good. Right, to see what we got. Link on the back to link up to DJ equipment that I don't have, so awesome. MIDI in, out and through, very useful. What I'm kind of hoping is to have this hooked up just underneath the MPC here, but I'm going to be running the liveforms through this and kind of sequence it through this as well. So I like the simplicity of the MIDI track changes and stuff like that you can do in here, like taking advantage of this little touch strip and stuff. So that's good. So we've got input there, mono, which I'll probably input mono with a little level, 8 separate outputs, quality, plus an extra phones output. So we can either have that as headphones or just the stereo out going to somewhere else as well, which is really good. But nice and basic, no CV, but that doesn't bother me because I don't really care about that. This is what I'm looking forward to. The drive mainly, just having that. So yeah, actually it looks really nice. Worth every penny. See what else is in the box, shall we? So what we have this. Let's see what this is. Probably some crap I'm never going to read, but probably should. Okay. Actually give you the link cable. So I could actually take this around. I won't, ever, but it's nice. Now what else we got? Documents, a manual, an actual manual. Rare to see a hard manual nowadays. Normally just like, there's a link to the PDF and that. But yeah, actual manual. You always got to smell manuals. I don't know if you do, but I'd have to smell a manual. Weird, pathetic. It's a good manual. Right, put that back in to the bag of stuff that will never get seen again. What else is there? Oh, there's another box of stuff. Oh, what? Stuff? Shut up. God, it's one of those Krypton Factor boxes, isn't it, that you got? Oh no, okay, here we go. Right. Okay. Oh, nice, power brick. So it's extra long on the lead. I'm well happy about that. Little things like that make a piece of equipment a lot more desirable, having a really long lead. So you can actually plug it in once and then move it around your setup without having to figure out how you're going to plug in the mains again. And a USB lead, excellent. Is it a Pioneer actual one, or is it one of those generic one that companies bought out from Maplins when they went under? USB 2.0, we'll manage. But yeah, USB lead, another European one, or American, is that American, European? I don't really care, I'm not going to use it, so. Right, this then goes, oh no, this was it. Get all this back in before the missus gets in. Sick, isn't it? Let's play with it, innit, I suppose. Might as well hook it up. Mate, long. That was long. I changed hats and trousers. I swear it was long, mate. Basically, what happened was, I thought it was going to be an easy swap around, replace this with the connections of the Digitone. It kind of was, but then I just got lost in MIDI leads and nothing worked properly again. Wanted to hook this up with that and that and that, so I could press play on the MPC and it would just sync everything. But I messed up the MIDI leads and then plugged them. Anyway, it's working now. So here we go. Number one, build quality, lovely. Number two, the colours are beautiful. It's lovely looking. It feels solid. I want to see if I can make a track in 10 minutes. That's kind of the deal breaker if I'm going to love a piece of equipment or not. So I've turned it on already, as you can see. I put some samples in here. I've watched a load of videos on it before it got delivered. So let's dive straight in. So track one, Bosch, browse. Let's go through some samples. I'm going to do some liquid drum and bass today. Let's make the tempo correct then. Yes, yes. Let's give it a little bit of swing. Let's give it, say, 30% swing. Track, browse. Let's find a kick. So, right, drum hits, kicks, put the preview on. That one. There we go. Nice and quick. Excellent. Yeah, let's just program that in. Bosch. Mess around with this little filter. Beautiful filter, this. Lovely filter. So right, that's sorted. Next track. Let's go into here. Let's try and find a snare. That's a bit annoying. Like, the preview's always on and it plays the last one you went to. It's a bit annoying. Let's find a room shot. That'll do. Nice and fast. Cool. There and there. Sweet. At the moment, I'm only running 16 steps. I'm going to make the pattern length longer, actually. So 4. Hopefully, this will just record it over. Sweet. Let's find a loop. Track 3. Browse. That's going to annoy me, that. It just constantly plays. Anyway, right, loops. Drum loops. Love that loop. Home. Cool. Scale. Oh, not scale, slice. That's kind of good. Oh no, let's just play it in normal. Let's just play it in normal. Put one there. Okay, cool. Nice. I'm actually going to double that up. So I'm going to come into scene and pattern. Sweet. Track. That one. So that one, copy and paste that. That one, copy, paste there. Excellent. Right. This one, I'm going to put in slice mode and I'm going to pitch down a little bit. I'll make sure the time stretch is on. Cool. Put that into gate mode instead. Nice. Right. Mess about with the amp envelope a bit. So elongates. Like that. Right. We'll record this in live, I think. Cool, let it go round once. Cool. I'm loving that already. Okay, cool. Right, let's get some melodic parts in. Pick a track up here. Browse. Oh, it's going to annoy me that. Just turn off the press. It's going to annoy me that. Anyway, right, let's just not worry about it. Let's find some loops. Actually, just that one. That's cool. It says it's 173, so let's turn on the time stretch. What happened? Yes. Ah, there we go. Right, we're going to change the pitch of this now, down to. Cool, prefer that. Let's get a filter in there. You only get 2 effects per pad, which is very limiting, but good, because it means that you can then resample stuff to get more effects in. Filter. Kind of like that. We'll put a trig in, see what we hear. Got the mixer. I kind of like that actually. Right, let's go to that last one. To there. Nice, right, that trig there, I'm going to change the pitch. What we got? That'll do. Nice. Let's find another melodic part. What time we got? I don't even know what the time is. How long I've been. God, it's a couple of minutes. Right. Okay. Just quick. Another melodic part. Browse. No. Go away. Stop playing things. No. Why? What should we do? What should we do? One shots. Music. That one, see if we can get that to work somehow. Put it into gate. Don't like that at all. Let's change that. That'll do. I don't like that. Bassline, just go bassline. Bassline. Put a bass in. Ah, right. I'm going to find a single cycle waveform for this. So come out of liquid. Let's go single cycle. Square waves. That one. Why not? Put the loop on. Turn the volume down because this might be crazy loud. Cool, right. Filter. Put the filter in. Filter. Okay, cool. Back. Let's go into scale mode. Key shift down. Right, let's go minor. Kind of like that, simple. Cool, record that in. I should have put a counting on. How long we got? Oh, we got about 30 seconds. Right, let's go. Cool. Right, right. Okay, we've got an LFO here. See what I can add into that. If we can do the destination of playback start. Or, mute everything. Is that going to be horrible? Oh, it's not good, man. Right, instead we'll put in a distortion, I think. Distortion. Ain't got long. Not long. That's quite nice, actually. Right, LFO. Go back into that. We'll do the distortion. Effects. Distortion drive. Distortion drive. Cool. That's kind of nice, right? So it was that one. Where's the... So change the speed. Put that down to 2. Maybe 3. Nah, 2 still. That's kind of nice. Cool. Managed to use that LFO. Let's go back to the mixer, change the volume a bit. I don't mind that actually, it's not that bad. I might pitch that down a bit. So I'm going to resample that one. I know we've gone over time, but I wanted to do stuff. So we're going to go to this pad, home. In this one, I'm going to sample that. Record, center. Cool. Save, changes, save and replace. Did that do it? Oh yeah, it's muted. What a mug. Let's pitch that down. Cool, right. Let's see what else we got here. Doubled over. This might sound trash. Nah, not feeling it. Time stretch that instead. So shocking. Yeah, let's go. Let's put one of those trigs in and see what we get. Might be shocking. Shocking. Okay, we'll leave that alone. Let's mute that. That's it though. It's really easy. It's actually quite good. Didn't even get in to use the trigs quite a lot there. We got that one, I suppose. That's kind of nice. But yeah, it's just really easy. Very basic, very easy to use. I'm happy. Just wish it didn't take so long to sort out. But yeah, quality. Anyone want to buy a Digitac? So that's it. Very happy. A good idea is any new piece of equipment that you get, concentrate on that and try and make something within 10-15 minutes on it. If you can, sort of fast paced and you make just an idea. What I made then was, that's not a full tune. That's just an idea. Drums, bass, melody, and that's kind of it. Bounce those stems out, something to work around. But I had fun doing it. It was definitely something that I'm gonna enjoy using because of the quickness of it. MPC is really good, but it's so much deeper and you can spend a lot more time doing less stuff. That, you click and go really, like really enjoyed it. Kind of like a Digitac workflow, but with a bit more touch screen. So yeah, very happy. See you next time.